Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and in today's video, I'm going to be making one of 3 new designs for some shoe mirrors. So with that in mind, let's get into it. This is going to be the first of 3 new designs that I'm working on in collaboration with Pretty Done. So his art is all over the Vegas area. He wanted to make some shoe collaboration designs using mirror acrylic. I made 2 in the past. I'll go ahead and leave a card up top to that video so you can see some past designs. So this is going to be the first of 3. I'm going to wait until the end to show you what this one looks like. Again, there are going to be 3, so be on the lookout for 3 total videos. I'm going to make each one their own video, basically because it's too much for one, and I think highlighting them individually is a better thing to do. There's a lot of colors, a lot of new colors that I haven't used before in these projects. So without further ado, we're going to jump in and start machining, cutting, assembling the first shoe design. Now that you've seen the process for how I made it, here is the final result. So this is one of 3 designs that I'm working on in this collaboration. The other 2 will be different videos, but this one is a gray, silver, and yellow or green fluorescent mix, but I think it turned out pretty cool. So here's the up close. You got the little Nike symbol there in the corner. You got the nice fluorescent green all the way through, the nice dark gray and some silver, and then some more fluorescent green at the bottom. Overall, I think it turned out pretty nice. Now it is hard to get a picture just because of it reflecting everything, but I think it turned out really well and I'm pretty happy with it. That's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the process of me making this custom shoe mirror. I do like making these. They're a lot of fun, and you can make a whole bunch of variations just off the same design using different colors, different materials. It's a pretty unique thing. With that in mind, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram @MakerExperiment, where I share these things along the way. I want to thank you again for taking the time to watch this, and I'll see you in the next video.